In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move emails from your inbox to specific folders in Outlook, a convenient way to keep your inbox organized and tidy. First, let's navigate to the Microsoft Outlook webpage. In your preferred browser, simply enter Outlook's URL and hit enter. Once the page has fully loaded, you'll notice the prominent sign in option. Go ahead and click on sign in to get started. You'll be directed to the sign in page. Here, you'll need to enter your login details. Carefully type in your email address and password. Once you're sure that everything is correct, click next to proceed. You'll then be welcomed by the Outlook dashboard, your central hub for managing emails. Before we dive into the process, it's important to make sure you have already created a specific folder where you intend to organize your emails. Having your folders set up beforehand makes this process seamless. If you haven't created one yet, take a moment to do so. In the left sidebar, there will be an option to create a new folder. You can label it based on your preference, maybe by project name, sender, or any system that makes sense to you. With your folders ready, shift your attention to the inbox. Look through your emails and find one that you'd like to organize by moving it into a designated folder. Once you've identified the email you wish to move, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with a variety of options. At this point, you'll want to hover your mouse over the selection that reads Move. Don't click right away. Just hover gently to reveal a submenu. In this submenu, you will see a list of your existing folders. Take a moment to locate the folder you prepared earlier for organizing this type of email. Once found, click on that folder's name. This action will immediately move your selected email from the inbox to your chosen folder. It's as simple as that. For any additional emails you want to organize, simply repeat this process. With practice, this becomes a quick and efficient habit to maintain an organized inbox, which is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly functional for tracking and managing your communications. And there you have it. You've learned how to seamlessly move emails from your inbox to specific folders in Outlook. This easy process will help keep your email management efficient and your inbox clutter-free. Give it a try, and you'll quickly see how streamlined your email organization can become. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check our next video for more useful tech tips.